using the append method to append an item. So if we do append apple, banana, cherry, this list dot append orange. Okay, print this list. So apple, banana, cherry, this list dot append orange. Remove list. Okay, insert items. To insert an item at a specified index, use the insert method. The insert method inserts an item at the specified index. Insert an item as the second position. This list equal apple, banana, cherry. This list dot insert one orange. Print this list. So let's say this will insert one orange. So 0 1 in the one position which is orange. Print this list. Extend list. To append elements from another list to the current list, use the extend method. To append elements from another list to the current list, use the extend method. Add the elements of tropical to this list. This list equal apple, banana, cherry, tropical, mango, pineapple, papaya. This list dot extend tropical. Okay, so extend method works in this way. Add any the elements will add it to the end of the list. Add any iterable. The extend method does not have to append list. You can add any iterable objects, tuple, sets, and dictionaries, etc. Add any iterable. The extend method does not have to append lists. You can add any iterable objects, tuples, sets, dictionary, etc. Add elements of a tuple to a list. Okay, this list equal extend this list. Okay, so if the extend method does not have to be append list, you can add any iterable objects, tuple, sets, dictionary. So you can add a tuple too. Okay. Remove list items. Remove specified items. The remove method removes the specified items. Example, remove banana. Okay, removed. If there are no more than one item with the specified value, the remove method removes the first occurrence. Okay, so remove the first occurrence of banana. This list apple, banana, cherry, banana, kiwi. This list just remove banana. Print this list. Okay, so apple, banana, cherry, banana, kiwi. And this list does remove banana. Remove specified index. The pop method removes the specified index. Remove the second item. This list apple, banana, cherry. This list dot pop one. So banana will be popped, right? If you do not specify the index, pop method removes the last item. Okay, if you do not specify the index, pop method removes the last item. Example, remove the last item. This list is apple, banana, cherry. This list dot pop. Print this list. Okay, the del keyword also removes the specified index. Remove the first item. This list equal apple, banana, cherry. Del this list 0. Print this list. Okay, so this is equal apple, banana, cherry. Del this list 0. Right. So you see here, 0th position is being deleted, right? So the del keyword also can also delete the list completely. Delete the entire list. This is apple, banana, cherry. Delete the entire list. Okay. Clear the list. The clear method empties the list. The list still remains, but it has no content. Clear the list content. This list equal apple, banana, cherry. This list dot clear. Print this list, right? So Python loop lists. Loop through a list. You can loop through the list item by using for loop. Print all items in the list one by one. This list apple, banana, cherry. For x in this list, print x, right? For x in this list, print x. Learn more about for loops in a Python for loop chapter. Look through the index numbers. You can also look through the list items by referring to the index number. Use the range and len functions to create a suitable iterable, right? Use the range and len functions to create a suitable iterable. Print all item by referring to the index number. This list equals apple, banana, cherry for I in range. Len this list, right? So this list is 3, length this list is 3, so 0 to 3, that means uh, okay. So let's ask ChatGPT.